Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a wireless communication system using 3 ESP32 boards, 2 4-digit display modules, 2 keypads and 1 OLED display. The cool part: we're using the ESP-NOW platform, which means there's no need for an internet connection to get these devices talking to each other. So here's the setup we're working with today. We have 3 ESP32 boards and each one has a specific role to play. The first ESP32 acts as the client. The second one is a server client and the third one is just a server. The goal of this system is simple. When a number is entered on the first ESP32 board using its keypad, that number is displayed on its local 4-digit display and sent to the second ESP32 board. When the second ESP32 receives the number, it shows up on its own 4-digit display and is forwarded to the third ESP32 board. How the third board works. Now, the third ESP32 board doesn't just display the number, it actually converts that number into text and displays it on the OLED screen. So with all 3 boards working together, you can easily send numbers from one board to another and convert those numbers into readable text. What happens when the second ESP32 is turned off? Now you might be wondering what happens when the second ESP32 board gets turned off. Will the communication between the first and third ESP32 boards be cut off? The answer is no. Luckily, we have a cool feature here. If the second ESP32 board goes offline, the first ESP32 board can still communicate directly with the third ESP32 board, bypassing the second one. This ensures that the system continues to work even if one of the ESP32 boards goes down. Connecting the hardware. Let's first take a look at how to wire up the boards. For each ESP32, we'll connect the keypad's 4-digit displays and the OLED screen. Next, we will jump into the Arduino IDE and program the ESP32 boards. I will guide you through writing the code for each board and explain how the ESP-NOW communication works between them. Code for client. First ESP32. This will capture numbers from the keypad and send them to the second ESP32 board. Code for server client, second ESP32. It receives data from the first board and forwards it to the third ESP32. Code for server, third ESP32. Here we will convert numbers to text and display them on the OLED screen. Testing the system. Once we have got everything wired and programmed, let's test it out. Demo the system in action. Enter a number on the first ESP32. Watch it display on both the first and second ESP32 and then see it converted to text on the third board's OLED screen. Handling the second ESP32 going offline. Finally, let's simulate what happens if the second ESP32 board gets turned off. Watch how the first ESP32 board is able to communicate directly with the third ESP32 board, keeping everything up and running.
That's it for today's tutorial. You've now learned how to set up a wireless communication system using ESP32 boards and the ESP-NOW platform. I hope you found this project useful. It's a great way to explore local wireless communication without relying on the internet. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome projects. And if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below.